Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. The East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. And this is an apartment. It's number 915, and it is a one bedroom with a study. So I love it. I've already seen it. I think you're gonna love it too. Let's walk in. By the way, this is the hallways. Super pretty hallways. Very, very high-end carpet. This is one of the best carpets I've ever seen. Everything's crisp, clear. This is very well maintained. But now, hey, let's go walk in. By the way, keyless entry. Love seeing that. Okay, this is what it looks like over here, and the kitchen is phenomenal. It's a beautiful kitchen. It's got a lot of fun things I want to point out. One of the first things is this open cabinet. It's very attractive. I love the open cabinet here. I also love just the huge backsplash. It's really pretty. It's very, you can tell it's very expensive. Gorgeous backsplash. There's a lot of cabinets also, plenty of cabinets. You've got essentially a pantry that's over here. You do also have gas, so you're cooking. You've got 5 burners there, cooking with gas. You have a really nice, actually gorgeous island. And not only is the island great with storage, but then it's got a really nice sized wine fridge. That's a really big one there. And then you can put some additional chairs under here and just have a really nice eating experience anytime. But then you also have a lot of space here. So this is a living room area with a ton of space. Wow, really, really pretty. And this has a floor-to-ceiling window here, pretty much almost floor-to-ceiling window, and it looks out that is to be that's near downtown area. So you've got a good view from there. Now, this is what it looks like over here in the living room and kitchen. I do want to point out this has a study also, so it's a nice study area. This is another, great area that's for storage here. And it's got a half bath too. So love seeing this half bath. The study is here. It's probably, I would say 8 by 8. But also it does close off, so you could have this as a guest room, like not a full-time room for guests, but definitely for guests that are dropping in. They could absolutely use that. Also, you've got a really nice bedroom. The bedroom is almost floor-to-ceiling windows on that wall. It's really nice how much window is there. And then here is the bedroom. The bedroom is beautiful. It's got dual sinks, huge mirror, and then it's got a really nice walk-in shower that's here. The walk-in is beautiful, but then it also has the tub. Very, very unusual and very nice. I don't see that. I see it. It's more in the minority to see that. Also, here's the closet. There's a lot of storage in here too. Really pretty closet. Hey, if you like what you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. I can tell you that this compares really nicely in price and just beauty to almost any other high-rise here in Dallas. Send me a text and just say, hey, I like what I'm seeing here. Grant, can you arrange some virtual tours? And I will take care of that for you. That would be what I would do. Honestly, I wouldn't do live at first. I would start with a virtual and then let the virtual somebody show you exactly what's available. That way you don't have to come in person. You can just kind of see it on your phone, but it would still be live. It'd be like kind of someone like me walking around, but then it would be on your phone, and you could experience there. That may be all you need, and you could kind of go from there and see what is actually available. Send me a text, just request a virtual, or just say hi, and just we can go from there.